This partwork has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up partworks that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. Thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 38 of Building Robocop, Bob O'Cop. Yes, let's look at the magazine, and before we get onto the building, looking at the world history of Robocop in the line of fire. It's obviously something to do with these big guns, bigger than his normal gun. There we go, that's that. And just his top speed, the car that obviously his patrol car that he uses. The build, we are continuing the right thigh. We've got the ball joints put together and installed onto the part that we've been building up over the last couple of issues, like so. Not ready to attach it to the leg yet, but that's got to be coming very, very soon. Although this is indeed the end of this month's delivery, so yeah. Autonomous mining trucks. It's got cab, but they obviously can be driven automatically, which is quite cool, isn't it? Big and heavy machinery. There you go. Obviously, exoskeletons take the weight out of carrying stuff and lifting stuff. Interesting things. Why not? Makes you lift heavy stuff when you can. I know the army have used them previously. There you go. Factory workers as well. Right, let's clear this out of the way and let's get this built. So here we go. From last time, we've got our internal leg piece, which is going to go on there, but not quite yet. Not there. It goes on the other side. It goes on the inside of the right leg, like that. But first of all, we've got to build up our internal piece. So we've got our bracket that's going to attach to the body. We've got the two cups, the smaller of which goes inside, the bigger of which then goes inside that bit, and then that goes in there like so. This goes over the top, and we'll do up three there that look pretty equidistant, so I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter which way around that goes, as long as they do line up. Let's see, I need to see where that is. They're not right. If I hold it that way around, so these two that I can see on the outside, there's one above it. Let's put that back on there. Those two this side, there's one above it, so if I can turn that round. Yeah, that's locked in place a little bit there. So that would be like that. I need three of these and another two of these to attach it to the leg piece. So let's keep hold of 1, 3, and 2 more. That should do it. And we've got another spare to add to our spares pile. So we're going to be using the 3 of these through here. It looks like that's still lined up. Get one in. That is indeed in. Get them all in and then tighten them all up. Now this is the tricky bit, in that I don't know how tight to make it. So obviously it's the hip joint, so it needs to support the entire weight of the body onto the leg. It doesn't feel like that's going into anything. It hasn't, because the screw slipped off the top before I got it in there. Try that again. There. That feels better. But as I'm only at the moment got a very small piece to manipulate it with, I want to do it up as tight as I possibly can, I think. So it's going to bind greatly against that. I might not be able to move it as is, but I'm pretty sure I will be able to move it once it's attached to the body. So that's that, and that. Oh, that's still moving a lot. Make sure I haven't missed out a bit. Don't feel that that should be as free as that is. So I'm going to tighten as much as I can. All of these screws, loosen them off a little bit. Find the screw hole in there. Yep. Yeah, that wasn't tight at all. That's that. And the third one, somewhere there it is. Yeah, I think that wasn't right at all. That feels a lot tighter now. And that, yeah, I can only just move using quite extreme force. So I think that is probably okay. See if I can get an extra little bit of a turn out of any of them just to make it even better. A little bit maybe. Here we go. So then that needs to attach to the outside of this using those two bits on the outside. Don't know. I think they're equidistant. So it doesn't matter which way up it goes. So we'll go that way. I'm pretty sure that's going to end up pointing upwards. So we might as well get it pointing upwards now. And get that attached in there. Get the screw the right way round. Onto there. So as I say, this is the last of this month's Robocop pack. So if you're watching this when it's come out, then there will be more, but it will be another month until that turns up. There are other part works happening in the time being, so if you want to catch up on another one of my builds, obviously feel free. If you want to make sure you catch up when they come out, obviously like and subscribe, notification bell and all that stuff. I shall see you for more very soon. Other part works, as I say, happening in the between times. So come along and watch any of those. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you want to become a channel member, there's a link for that in the description below, as well as every YouTube video will have a little join button underneath it. Links to my Patreon and things are all in the stuff as well, Facebook pages and things like that. Like and subscribe, and I shall see you for more soon. Let me just make sure this side is tight. There we go, that's that attached on there. And then that will go onto there, a bit like that. And we are getting there. So yeah, that's it for Robocop. I shall put this away until the next delivery turns up, and I shall see you for more very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.